Alright guys, so for dinner tonight we're gonna have something really simple. This is just thin boneless pork chops, which are seasoned with Lawry's seasoned salt. This is just canned cut green beans, which I seasoned with a little bit of salt, and I cooked it in its juices and with butter. And then this is just stovetop chicken flavor stuffing. Something simple, quick, and easy. Literally took me like 20 minutes to put together. And this is what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. Alright guys, so for dinner tonight we're going to be making some lemon pepper. So this is actually 2 pieces of chicken thigh that I went ahead and sliced. In our chicken, we'll be using some lemon pepper. Let's go ahead and cut up some lemon. Okay, so we're going to grab some butter. We're going to melt some butter. So let's go ahead and add our chickens to here. Let's go ahead and season the other side. And then we're going to grab these lemons and we're going to just kind of stuff them in there. Just like that. So now I'm going to add just a little bit of chicken broth. I always have chicken broth on hand. Alright guys, so here it is. This is dinner. This is the lemon pepper chicken breast. This is just a baked potato that I nuked in the microwave, and we just added a little bit of butter, salt, and pepper. And just a little side salads, just lettuce, tomato, and ranch. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Alright guys, so for dinner tonight, we're going to be making taco bowl salads. So we're going to grab a skillet. We're going to turn on the heat to about medium high. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add a pound of ground beef. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and season this. We're going to add some pepper and some salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and comino. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and drain the juices. So my ground beef has already cooked. I'm going to go ahead and set it aside. So now we're going to grab a little pot. And we're going to warm up a can of ranch style beans. These are one of my favorite canned beans. So this we're just going to warm up. Okay, so once the beans have heated up, it doesn't take very long. I'm going to put it off to the side. And I actually started cutting up some of the veggies. So here's some tomato. And here's some lettuce. I always buy the smallest head of lettuce because I know we won't eat it all. So usually the smallest one I find is just perfect for us. Just gonna give it a quick chop. Okay, so now we have some avocado. So let's go ahead and cut up our avocado. Cut it out. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and cut little dices of it. So today I worked, so I had my husband put some white rice to cook around 4:30. That way by the time I got home and by the time I was gonna start, by the time I went to serve dinner, it would be ready. We're gonna start with the white rice first. So it should look something like this. And now we're gonna add our beans. Let's go ahead and add our ground beef. And now we're gonna add our lettuce. Some tomato. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of salt and pepper. And then we're gonna top it with some avocado. Open this for me. And then our final topping is going to be some cheese. And if you like, you can go ahead and top it with a sauce if you like. I like to have mine with ranch or with buffalo mild sauce. Or you can just eat it plain like this, like the way my husband likes it. So here you go, guys. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. We're having a quick and easy and most quickest and delicious taco bowl salad.